This is the Tiananmen building. I got the red and gold version. That is the person's face. Here is the red and gold. And then there's the silver. I do not have the silver. Those are the sheets you expect. That's the one I got. Works well enough for me. This is the front side and you got the guy's face. Very important part of China apparently. Got a little, let's focus on that sign. I don't know what it says. Got some stars on it and some words. I would make sure these words are, not words, characters, Chinese characters, are right side up because it would be awkward if they were upside down. Just so you know, here's visual from the side and then the back side, which honestly I thought would be the front side because you got these staircases here. See the detailing, what it looks like on top. You got a nice old staircase, long staircase over there. Very long model apparently. All aspects. Got little tunnels.